Welcome to the dawn of a new industrial age where metal and machine unite to forge the future of transportation. Today, we're taking you deep inside a hyper-advanced factory, a place where raw power meets breathtaking precision. What you're seeing isn't just manufacturing, it's a symphony of steel and circuits, all working in perfect harmony to create something truly extraordinary. The next generation of heavy-duty robotic motorcycles. Our journey begins with the very essence of strength, massive sheets of raw steel gliding silently along conveyor belts, ready to be transformed. Watch as these colossal robotic arms, giants of industry, come to life. Armed with CNC plasma cutters, they slice through the metal with an otherworldly grace. Their movements guided by complex algorithms, carving out the initial shapes with surgical accuracy. Every cut is a calculated step towards the final, formidable form. Now, get closer. Witness the raw energy as sparks erupt in a brilliant cascade of light. These are the robotic welders, the master artisans of this metallic ballet. They join the individual frame pieces, fusing them together with welds so perfect they seem to be a part of the original steel. The heat is immense, the precision absolute. This is where the skeleton of our machine gains its unbreakable strength. Look at the texture, the detail on that metal, it's almost alive. From a bird's eye view, the scale of this operation is simply staggering. Robotic arms pivot and rotate a full 360 degrees, a dance of pure efficiency. There's no wasted movement, no hesitation. Hydraulic presses descend with immense force, shaping the heavy chassis, bending and molding the steel into a form that's both aerodynamic and incredibly robust. It's a display of controlled power that's both humbling and inspiring. The assembly process is where the magic truly happens. Robots lift and align massive frame components, parts that would be impossible for a human to handle, placing them with millimeter precision. Lasers scan and verify every connection, ensuring a flawless fit. This isn't just building a motorcycle, it's engineering a masterpiece. The slow-motion shots reveal the intricate details. Every bolt, every weld, every polished surface speaks to a level of quality that redefines perfection. What you've just witnessed is the birth of a machine built for the future. A testament to what happens when human ingenuity and robotic power converge. This is more than just a motorcycle. It's a symbol of progress, a marvel of modern engineering built to dominate the roads of tomorrow. The future isn't coming, it's being built right here, right now. Thanks for joining us on this incredible tour. If you were as amazed as we are, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more glimpses into the world of tomorrow. See you in the next one. Welcome to the future of manufacturing, where precision, power, and artificial intelligence converge to create engineering marvels. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes into a state-of-the-art robotics lab, where the heart of a beast is born, the engine for the next generation of heavy-duty robotic motorcycles. Witness the symphony of automation. It all starts with a solid block of high-grade aluminum. Watch as these massive CNC machines, guided by complex algorithms, begin their intricate dance. With micron-level accuracy, they carve and shape the raw material, sculpting what will soon become a high-performance engine block. The sound you hear is the song of creation, a high-frequency hum as metal is transformed. Now, let's zoom in. These aren't just any drills. Robotic arms equipped with an array of specialized bits meticulously cut the cylinders. Every bore is perfect, every surface flawlessly smooth, ensuring maximum efficiency and power output. Look closer as another set of robotic arms gracefully assembles the core components. Pistons are placed with surgical precision, the crankshaft is seated, and the complex gearbox clicks into place. There is no room for error here. Every movement is calculated and executed flawlessly. To truly appreciate the craftsmanship, we slow things down. See how the golden-hued lubrication oil cascades over the freshly assembled parts. It's like liquid life flowing through the engine's veins, promising a smooth, powerful ride. This isn't just about assembly, it's about perfection. AI-controlled robots use advanced torque sensors to tighten every single bolt to the exact specification. Not too tight, not too loose, just perfect. This ensures the engine can withstand immense pressure and deliver peak performance for years to come. Under the brilliant glow of inspection lights, every component is scrutinized. Macro cameras reveal the hidden beauty of engineering, the hypnotic rotation of gears, the powerful spin of the crankshaft, and the polished gleam of metal surfaces. This ultra-clean factory, dominated by sleek white and silver robotic arms, isn't science fiction. It's the reality of modern engineering, where human ingenuity and robotic precision come together to push the boundaries of what's possible. This is more than just an engine. It's a masterpiece of technology, a testament to the power of advanced manufacturing. The future is not just coming, it's being built right here, right now. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to see what we build next. Welcome to the future of manufacturing, a place where precision, power, and perfection are born. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes to witness the creation of a masterpiece built not by human hands, but by an army of advanced robots. Our journey begins here, on the suspended conveyor, where the heart of the machine, a heavy-duty motorcycle frame, glides silently into the painting chamber. This isn't just any paint job. This is a symphony of color and technology. Watch as these robotic arms, moving with superhuman grace, begin their dance. They're applying a premium matte black finish, a deep, velvety coat that absorbs the light. Then, with flawless timing, a switch to a vibrant metallic red. Notice the slow-motion mist as it envelops the fuel tank, each particle landing with absolute purpose, creating a finish that's both durable and stunningly beautiful. But how do we know it's perfect? Laser scanners meticulously sweep across every surface, measuring the paint thickness down to the micron. There is no room for error in this automated world. Any imperfection is detected and corrected instantly, ensuring a flawless canvas for the next stage of assembly. Now, the motorcycle moves on. It's time to give this beast its footing. See these synchronized robotic arms. They're lifting and fitting heavy-duty alloy wheels, paired with rugged tires ready for any road. The process is seamless, a powerful display of strength and coordination. Next, the suspension system is installed. Two arms work in perfect harmony, a synchronized ballet of mechanics, ensuring a ride that will be as smooth as it is responsive. This level of precision guarantees not just performance, but also safety and reliability. The final touches are perhaps the most intricate. Delicate yet powerful robotic grippers navigate the complex chassis, placing every single electrical wire with pinpoint accuracy. This is the motorcycle's nervous system, and its installation is a task of incredible complexity, handled with an effortless-looking precision that is simply mesmerizing to watch. Each connection is perfect, each wire routed for optimal performance and longevity. As our newly assembled motorcycle takes its final, slow rotation under the lights, you can see the result of all this robotic artistry. The glossy reflections dance across the metallic red, contrasting with the deep matte black. Every curve is perfect, every component seamlessly integrated. This isn't just a machine, it's a testament to what's possible when technology and design converge. It's the birth of a legend, forged in a factory of the future. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey. If you were as amazed as we are, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more glimpses into the world of tomorrow. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking you deep inside the heart of innovation, to a place where metal, circuits, and pure ambition come together to create the future of mobility. Get ready for an exclusive first look at something truly revolutionary. Here we are in the final assembly and testing chamber. This is where the magic happens. Look at this ballet of precision engineering. Robotic arms, moving with surgical accuracy, are installing the final components. The ergonomic rider's seat, the sleek, responsive handlebars, and the aerodynamic mirrors are all being fitted with flawless precision. It's not just assembly, it's creation. But how do we guarantee perfection? This is where artificial intelligence takes the lead. Specialized AI robots are conducting comprehensive quality control scans. They're using advanced sensors and light arrays to inspect every single millimeter of the bike, from the integrity of the frame welds to the finish on the paint. Nothing escapes their digital eyes. This ensures that every machine leaving this facility isn't just good, it's perfect. Now for the part you've been waiting for, the power test. The bike is secured on the dynamometer, and it's time to unleash the beast. Listen to that. The wheels are spinning at incredible speeds, a blur of motion. The engine roars to life, a deep, powerful sound that promises untamed performance. As the engine screams, our robotic engineers monitor every piece of data displayed on stunning holographic interfaces. They track horsepower, torque, and engine vitals in real time, pushing the machine to its absolute limits to certify its performance and reliability. And now, the moment of revelation. The culmination of countless hours of design, engineering, and passion. Before you is not just a machine, it's a statement. It's the next leap forward in personal transport. Behold, the culmination of art and engineering. As it rotates on the platform, every angle reveals a new layer of its aggressive design and flawless craftsmanship. The dramatic lighting carves out its powerful silhouettes, while the glowing floor and atmospheric effects highlight its futuristic presence. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a vision of the road ahead, built for the rider who demands more power, more technology, and more style. The sound you hear is the pulse of the future. The powerful thrum of the engine, the intricate mechanical symphony, and the epic score all combine to announce its arrival. This is the pinnacle of heavy-duty robotics, a true hero product born from a futuristic factory. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. This is just the beginning. Make sure you're subscribed and have those notifications turned on because you won't want to miss what comes next. See you on the road.